Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science and every product gets the expert attention it deserves. Today, we're focusing on something that's become almost a staple in the haircare world, Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. This little bottle packs a promise: concentrated high shine, serious heat protection, and frizz control that lasts up to 72 hours. It's designed for all hair types and claims to boost color vibrancy and softness while taming those pesky flyaways. Now, Olaplex is known for its bond-building technology, and No. 7 is no exception. It's sulfate-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and all that good stuff we want to see on our labels. Plus, it's unscented, which is great if you're sensitive to fragrances. The bottle is a compact 1 fluid ounce, so it's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or travel. I incorporated Olaplex No. 7 into my daily hair routine, mostly applying it on damp hair before blow-drying, and a small amount on dry hair for frizz control and shine throughout the day. I tested it across different weather conditions, humid, dry, you name it, to see how it holds up. Right away, the texture impressed me, lightweight but rich enough that a little goes a long way. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is a big plus for those of us wary of oils weighing hair down. In terms of heat protection, I used it with my flat iron set to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I appreciated that it offers protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That gives some breathing room for styling without immediate damage. My hair felt smoother and noticeably softer after use, and the shine boost was definitely visible, especially on my color-treated strands. The vibrancy looked fresher and more alive. Frizz control was solid, lasting well into the second day without needing a reapplication, which is impressive. But it's not perfect. While it tamed flyaways nicely, I did notice that in extremely humid conditions, the frizz control wasn't quite 72 hours, more like 48 to 60, depending on the hair's natural texture and porosity. Also, because it's an oil, if you overapply, the hair can look weighed down and greasy, so precision with the amount is key. The sleek, minimalist packaging feels premium and travel-friendly, though at just 1 ounce, it's not going to last a very long time if you're using it daily. Pricing-wise, it falls in the mid to high range for hair oils, but given Olaplex's reputation and the formulation quality, it justifies the cost if you're serious about hair health and shine. For those on a budget, brands like Moroccanoil or Verb offer comparable shine and heat protection, but at a slightly lower price point, though they might lack Olaplex's bond-repairing claims. Comparing Olaplex No. 7 to other bonding or heat protective oils on the market, it stands out mainly due to its multifunctionality. Shine, repair, color vibrancy, and heat protection all in one. Some products focus heavily on shine or heat protection alone, but don't deliver the bond-strengthening benefits Olaplex is known for. This makes No. 7 a great choice for anyone with damaged or color-treated hair, looking to maintain health and style without juggling multiple products. I haven't personally had to reach out to Olaplex customer support, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for helpful and responsive service, which adds confidence to the purchase. If you're someone who styles your hair regularly with heat tools and values a polished, frizz-free look without sacrificing hair health, Olaplex No. 7 is worth considering. If you're just looking for a simple shine booster and frizz tamer, there might be more budget-friendly oils that do the job, but they won't offer the same repair and color protection benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried Olaplex No. 7, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair. The link to purchase is in the description box or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.